Hello, welcome to Englio, English Learning Online. Today I want to explain a few words that when you look at them, it may appear there's only one sound, but there are two sounds to each of these words. And I'm going to share 4 words with you. So here we go. First word, I'll say all 4 words in my speed first. World, school, pool, child. Okay? So don't say word, school, poo, cha. No, because the second half of the word, the tone of it will drop. Okay? So the first tone is just a straight tone. Wor, skoo, poo, chai. And then the second half of the word kind of goes down. Were old, school old, poo old, chai old. Okay? So remember that 2 sounds. World, school, pool, child. Okay? Practice those words and have a great day.